Today, I'm making salt-grilled cherry salmon with grated daikon and salmon roe. First, I'll start by cutting the cherry salmon. To help it cook through more easily, I make shallow cuts in the skin. Skewering the cherry salmon fillets. Slowly grill the skewered cherry salmon fillets. If the heat is too high, it will burn, so I grill it slowly and carefully. Once it starts to brown, I flip it over. It's coming along really well. It looks so tasty. Next, I'm going to prepare the accompaniments grated daikon and salmon roe. Squeeze out the excess water from the grated daikon, then mix it with ponzu and salmon roe. Remove the skewers from the grilled cherry salmon and begin plating. Serve the grilled cherry salmon, topping it with the grated daikon and salmon roe we prepared earlier. To finish, I garnish the dish with Yamame young Sancho leaves. Lightly tapping them with your hand enhances their fragrant aroma. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more content about Japanese culture.